Hello folks! The Galaxy S25 Ultra is vying for the crown of the world's best high-end phone this year, but it isn't just competing with flagships from Chinese brands but also the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While both phones are excellent in their own ways, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is better than the iPhone 16 Pro Max in at least 7 ways. Let us check those out. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has more versatile camera hardware. Its 200-megapixel primary camera offers more details, while its 10-megapixel telephoto sensor paired with a 3x optical zoom lens can capture better images and videos at mid-zoom levels. The phone can also capture 8K 30fps videos using the primary, wide-angle, ultra-wide and telephoto cameras. The S Pen comes integrated with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It offers you greater precision while drawing, sketching, jotting down notes quickly and signing documents. It has tilt and pressure sensitivity too. You can also use it to draw professional-looking drawings in your notes using the sketch-to-image feature. It can be stored in a silo inside the phone, so you don't need to worry about keeping it safe while traveling. In comparison, no iPhone comes with a stylus. Lighter design and anti-reflective screen. While both phones use titanium for the side frame and have 6.9-inch screens, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is still 9G lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max while packing an S Pen and a bigger battery. Moreover, the Galaxy S25 Ultra screen is covered by Gorilla Glass Armor 2, which reduces glare and reflections. That makes the phone a lot more legible under direct sunlight or in places where reflections can hurt your viewing experience. Galaxy AI works better than Apple Intelligence. Samsung was the first smartphone brand to bring a suite of AI-powered apps and features, and it is leading in that regard. The Galaxy S25 Ultra running One UI 7.0 has more effective and useful AI features compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Generative Edit works more effectively while editing images and removing unwanted objects and reflections. The audio eraser feature can be extremely useful in removing unwanted noises from videos, and a similar feature is not available on the iPhone. Faster wired charging. The Galaxy might have slower charging than phones from Chinese brands, but it is still much faster than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It can charge at a peak of 45 watts to top up the battery from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. Moreover, the Galaxy S25 Ultra charges from 0 to 100% in just 1 hour compared to 2 hours for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple is famous for offering extended software update support, but Samsung has taken the lead in that department. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will get 7 major Android OS updates and security updates for 7 years. While Apple doesn't usually announce a software support period, iPhones usually get 5 major iOS updates, and they often lag behind in functionality and features, so Samsung's latest Ultra flagship has an upper hand here. One UI 7 is much more customizable compared to iOS, from custom animations to absolutely crazy home screens. All this can be done on a Galaxy phone, while iOS is quite strict in terms of customizations and settings, not allowing its users unnecessary movements to the right or left. As a result, I should make it clear that the purpose of this video is not to ridicule the iPhone. Each of these phones is good in its way, and in this video I highlighted some of the strengths of Samsung, but in no way do I mean that the iPhone does not have these strengths, so if your butt is already on fire, put it out, everything is okay. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.